Everyone, so we're in a property right now. This is a very dilapidated property, but this is the kind of property that we like to look for. So a property that we can always add value to. As you can see, this is upstairs. It's a 3-bedroom house. It needs a full, complete refurb. Come look at the shop. As you see, it's a repossessed property, which means there's no electricity or gas. Everything's been turned off. In here. You can see that white. Someone's been doing their taking some punching lessons with the wall. Just show you the bathroom. Bathroom's in here, so it needs a new bathroom. So when you're looking, find something like this. So this is a smaller bedroom. So what we can do is see if it's possible to make this room slightly bigger. For example, this is a stone wall. So we can see we can move this wall just a little bit, just to make more room in this bedroom, so that way we have like a bigger bedroom. So whenever we're looking at properties, we're always looking at different ways we can add value to the property. So I hope you found this useful.